Did you know there's a new shopping app quietly taking over the US retail market, and it's not Amazon or Walmart? It's called Temu, and it is winning millions of shoppers with unbelievably low prices, endless choices, and deals that almost feel unreal. From trendy gadgets to everyday essentials, Temu seems to have everything at a fraction of the cost. But how is it pulling this off? And why are big retail giants starting to worry? Let's dive in and uncover the clever tactics that are turning Temu into one of the fastest growing shopping platforms in America. So Temu has completely flipped the retail game on its head so much that the US government is now stepping in to slow it down. For American retailers, Temu's meteoric rise isn't just a headline. It's a masterclass in how to dominate the digital marketplace, how to turn shopping apps into sales machines, and, just as importantly, what mistakes to avoid. Here's where things get interesting. In September 2024, the Biden administration announced it was going after one of Temu's biggest advantages, the de minimis rule. This little-known law lets items worth under $800 slip into the US without paying import taxes and with barely a glance at customs. For China-founded e-commerce giants like Temu and Shein, it's been a golden ticket, allowing them to ship products directly to American doorsteps at lightning speed and rock-bottom prices. How did Temu start? To truly understand Temu's impact on retail, we need to rewind to where it all began. Temu made its US debut in July 2022, quickly expanding to the UK in April 2023, and then branching out across the globe. Today, it ships to over 50 countries, connecting millions of customers to products at prices that often seem too good to be true. Temu is owned by PDD Holdings, the same parent company behind Pinduoduo, a shopping platform that became a sensation in China during the COVID-19 pandemic. PDD Holdings had cracked a winning formula: attract shoppers with ultra-low prices, keep them engaged with game-like features, and make buying feel fun and rewarding. This recipe for success set the stage for Temu's launch just 1 year later. Its catchy slogan, "Shop like a billionaire," promised shoppers the thrill of luxury without the price tag, and it worked. By December 2022, barely months after launch, Temu had become the most downloaded free app on both the Apple App Store and Google Play in the United States. From that moment, it was clear. Temu wasn't just another shopping app. It was a retail disruptor on a mission. Building on this momentum, Temu's strategy continued to evolve with precision and creativity, taking cues from its own data analytics, Pinduoduo's proven model, and even successful tactics from competitors like Shein. Recognizing that mobile apps offer deeper engagement than websites, Temu leaned heavily into app-based shopping, using push notifications, personalized recommendations, and gamified features to keep users returning. The platform turned browsing into an addictive experience, offering time-limited deals, interactive coupon unlocks, and real-time savings trackers that reinforce the sense of winning with every purchase. Discounts remained a cornerstone, not only driving conversions, but also cultivating loyalty by making customers feel they were part of an exclusive, unbeatable deal cycle. This customer-first, data-backed approach culminated in bold marketing moves. The vibrant, catchy commercials not only went viral, but also sparked online conversations about the brand's pronunciation. In just one day, Temu's app traffic jumped nearly 25%, while competitors like Amazon and eBay saw noticeable dips, proving that when executed strategically, high-stakes advertising can shift consumer attention on a global scale. How Temu operates. Temu describes itself as an e-commerce platform that connects consumers with millions of merchandise partners, manufacturers, and brands, with the mission of helping people live better by offering affordable products in an inclusive marketplace. It was founded in Boston, Massachusetts in 2022. Temu operates much like Amazon or eBay, serving as a global marketplace where most sellers are based in China and can reach customers around the world. For buyers, this often means access to products at prices significantly lower than what they could find elsewhere. For sellers, particularly those in China, Temu presents a valuable opportunity to expand internationally and grow their businesses. Many Chinese e-commerce entrepreneurs are eager to chew high or venture overseas to move beyond the stereotype of selling low-quality made-in-China goods and instead build recognizable brands with global appeal. However, the platform's model comes with challenges. Temu keeps prices attractively low by offering sellers extremely narrow profit margins, relying on high sales volumes and competitive pricing to draw massive numbers of customers. This strategy works only because Temu has the scale and reach to consistently drive large amounts of traffic, creating a cycle where low prices attract buyers, and the influx of buyers sustains the platform's growth. Temu and its controversies. While Temu has attracted millions of customers worldwide and built a strong revenue stream, its brand image has faced turbulence since its launch for several reasons. One of the most prominent issues came in July 2024, when sellers in China protested against PDD Holdings, Temu's parent company, over what they described as unfair penalties, unexplained fines, and increasingly tight profit margins. These frustrations grew as Temu expanded globally, forcing many merchants to consider shifting to alternative platforms like Amazon, AliExpress, Shein, and TikTok Shop. The protests gained enough traction to impact investor confidence, with PDD's shares dropping 3.5% in a single day, and analysts predicting further unrest in 2025 if relations with sellers do not improve. For any marketplace, sellers are the lifeblood of the business, and ignoring their concerns risks both revenue loss and competitive disadvantage. Temu has also faced criticism regarding product safety. Such revelations not only harm consumer trust, but also invite regulatory attention from multiple countries. While recalls are sometimes unavoidable in retail, repeated incidents can damage a brand's credibility, making it essential for companies to strengthen their quality control processes and ensure unsafe products never reach customers again. Biggest brands impacted by Temu. While Temu isn't solely responsible for all retail challenges in the US, it has become a major competitive force, especially for businesses that compete primarily on price. Brick and mortar retailers may feel some impact, but the sharper competition is being seen among other online marketplaces, such as Amazon, AliExpress, Shein, and TikTok Shop. While this is a departure from Amazon's signature fast shipping model under Prime, it clearly aims to capture the same price-sensitive audience that has flocked to Temu and similar competitors. Temu's rise hasn't just shaken up pricing models, it's actively reshaping how retailers plan for the future. Instead, many are adopting similar tactics, discounts, rewards, coupons, and credits to keep customers engaged, while Amazon has gone further with its own budget marketplace. So, with Temu rewriting the rules of online shopping, do you think traditional retailers can adapt fast enough to keep up, or will low-cost giants take over the future of retail? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care of yourself. See you in the next video.